Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia XA1 Ultra, and I'll show you how to insert SIM card and the memory. So we can take the device, and on the left side you will see this little thing here. Just pull that out like so, and you can take the memory, and while holding it basically facing you with the pins on the back, put it in the top slot of the phone. So I'm gonna move that to the side so you can see it. It's right here on the top, and just slide it until you feel a click. And as you heard, the phone recognized the memory. And then you can take this tray and a SIM card and put it on the cutout right here in the corner, indicated by this little hole also. And the card will go down, so take it, and device keeping the phone screen down, and just slide that in here like so till you feel a click. And now the phone will restart once it sees the SIM card, so give it a moment. And as you can see, there is a SIM card and memory as well. So that's how you insert memory and SIM card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.